What are alternate exterior angles? Well, the alternate exterior angles theorem states that if two lines are parallel and are cut by a transversal, then the angles on each side of the transversal on the outer part of the two parallel lines are equal. So, for instance, if we have this figure and it is marked appropriately as parallel, these two lines are parallel to each other. They are cut by what we call here a transversal. That transversal line cuts through the two parallel lines. So notice how they form in angles X and they form angle Y. Both X and Y are on the outside of the two parallel lines. But notice how X is on the left of the transversal and angle Y is on the right of the transversal. So X and Y are both alternate exterior angles and they are equal to each other. Now, also we have this angle that is not marked and this angle that is also not marked. So that the angles are both on the outside of the two parallel lines and they are on the opposite ends of the transversal. So those two angles are also congruent to each other.